Okay, we are on page 131 of angles in four-sided figures. We are looking at trapeziums now. So let's find angle A and D in question 1. Now we know that for angles in a trapezium, angles in between two parallel sides are 180 degrees. So we have one parallel side here, one side here. So these two angles, angle A and angle in this 65 degrees here, will add up to 180 degrees. At the same time, we have another one here. These will also add up to 180 degrees. So to find angle A, I will take 180 degrees minus 65 degrees, which will give me 115 degrees. Angle D is 180 degrees minus 124 degrees. This will give me 56 degrees. Next, question 2. Find angle A and D. So this is 90 degrees. Again, angles in between two parallel lines add up to 180 degrees. Same thing on this side. We have two parallel lines, and in between, the angles in between add up to 180 degrees. So angle A is 180 minus 90 degrees, which is 90 degrees. Angle D is 180 minus 124 degrees, which is 56 degrees. Question 3 on page 132. Find angle DCB, that's here. So we have two parallel sides, and the angles in between add up to 180. So angle DCB is 180 minus 110, which is 70 degrees. Question 4. Find angle OLB. So angle OLB is here. Again, angles in between parallel sides add up to 180 degrees. So angle OLB is 180 minus 106, which is 74 degrees. Question 5. Find angle SRQ. That's here. So I locate my two parallel sides. Angles between the two parallel sides will add up to 180 degrees. So angle SRQ is 180 minus 114 degrees. That will be 66 degrees. Page 133, question 6. Find angle DBC. So this is angle DBC. These sides are parallel, AB and DC. So angles in between add up to 180 degrees. So in order to find angle DBC, we will take 180 minus 30 minus 46 degrees. That will give me 104 degrees. Question 7. Find angle SRT. So SRT is here. So angles in between two parallel sides That's 180 degrees. So angle SRT is 180 minus 116 minus 31 degrees. That will give me 33 degrees. Next, HI is equal to JI. So JHI is an isosceles triangle. Angle JGH, find angle JGH, which is here, and JHI, which is here. So I can find this angle here using angles on a straight line. So angle HIJ, 180 degrees minus 112 degrees is 68 degrees. I can find these two angles now because I can use the property of isosceles triangle. So basically 180 degrees minus 68 degrees equals to 112 degrees. 112 degrees divided by 2 is 56 degrees. So this is 56 and this is also 56. So now if I want to find JGH, I know that these are two parallel sides. Okay. So these three angles, 1, 2, 3. These three angles will add up to 180 degrees. That will give me 96 degrees. So let's write down angle JGH, angle JHI. Okay. Question 9 on page 134. Find JHI and HIJ. JHI is, here, and HIJ is here. So I can see a trapezium, okay, which means that these three angles, 1, 2, 3, add up to 180 degrees. So angle GJH. This over here, using sum of angles in a triangle, I can find GHJ. Okay. Now I can find this angle here, which will be GJHI, right? Using angles on a straight line. And now if I want to find this angle, which is HIJ, I can use this property of angles in a trapezium. Okay, should be angles in between parallel lines is 180 degrees. So HIJ is 180 minus 80 minus 38 degrees. Okay. Next, find angle GJH, sorry, here. So this is 156. I can find this angle here using angles on a straight line. Oops. So now I can find this angle using sum of angles in a triangle. Which will give me oops, sorry, 48 degrees. Question 11. Find angle X and angle Y. So looking at this, I can see a trapezium. Okay, I can find this angle. So that will be 180 minus 92 degrees. Okay, that's 88 degrees. I can find angle X now because I know sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That will be 8 degrees. Okay. I can find this angle, okay, because I know that this is a trapezium. So the angles in between two parallel lines will be 180 degrees. I know this small part here, okay, this will be 66 minus 8 degrees. Okay, you see that together it forms 66 degrees. Huh? So this is 58 degrees, and now I have this big triangle here. So all I need to do is take 180 minus 58 minus 114, and I will get 8 degrees.